Welcome back to Insurance World TV, your source for insightful discussions about insurance and the unexpected wisdom we can glean from various sources. Today we're continuing our exploration of Latin legal maxims. Specifically, we're looking at Injuria Sine Damnum. What is it, and how does it apply? Injuria Sine Damnum is a Latin legal maxim that translates to injury without damage. This principle is used in tort law to describe a situation where a legal right has been violated. That's the injuria. But no actual damage, or damnum, has occurred. In such cases, the mere violation of the right itself is sufficient to give rise to a cause of action, even if the plaintiff has not suffered any tangible loss. Let's delve into the key elements of this principle. First, there must be an infringement of a legal right. This could be a violation of a personal property or statutory right. Secondly, the plaintiff does not need to prove actual damage or loss. The focus is primarily on the breach of the legal right itself. Now let's look at some applications of this principle. In cases of defamation, statements that are defamatory in nature violate a person's legal right to reputation, regardless of whether actual damage to reputation can be proven. In trespass to land, unauthorized entry onto someone's property is actionable as trespass, even if no damage was caused to the property. Lastly, unlawful restriction of a person's freedom of movement constitutes false imprisonment, even if the person was not harmed in any other way. Let's delve into some landmark cases to better understand the concept of Injuria Sine Damnum. First, we have Ashby versus White from 1703. In this English law case, Mr. Ashby, a qualified voter, was prevented from voting by the defendant, a returning officer. Although the candidate Mr. Ashby wanted to vote for won the election, meaning he suffered no actual damage, the court held that the mere violation of his legal right to vote was enough to constitute a cause of action. Next, we look at Bhim Singh versus State of J&K from 1985. This case from the Indian Supreme Court involved Bhim Singh, an MLA, who was unlawfully detained by police, thus preventing him from attending a legislative assembly session. Despite no physical harm or monetary loss, the court recognized the infringement of his constitutional right and awarded damages. In situations involving Injuria Sine Damnum, courts often respond by awarding what are known as nominal damages. These are not meant to compensate for a loss, but rather to recognize that a violation of a right occurred. Furthermore, the principle of deterrence plays a crucial role. It serves to prevent individuals and entities from infringing upon others' rights, emphasizing that such violations are unacceptable, even if they do not cause direct harm. Lastly, upholding rights is fundamental. It reinforces the importance of legal rights and ensures they are respected, thereby maintaining the rule of law. The doctrine of Injuria Sine Damnum is pivotal as it underscores the significance of legal rights by ensuring that their violation, regardless of the presence of actual damage, is actionable. This promotes a deep respect for the legal framework and the rights of individuals. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.